So, good day. Welcome to our OOP midterm project demonstration. I'm presenting Val Pay Books, a full functional books P point of sale system built entirely in Java using Swing GUI framework. So the app has three main areas. On the left is the filter sidebar. You can browse all books, fiction, and textbook. The center is the book grid, and on the right is the shopping cart. Each card shows a book, title, author, and genre tag, price, and color-coded track indicator. Green means plenty of stock, yellow means low of stock, and red means no stock available. And if I click the card, the detail bar up top where you can set quantity and add the books to your cart. So add quantity, then add to cart. Then another um, so section Harry Potter. And to check out, I enter the cash amount, and click proceed. If the cash is low, the system alert you right away. Hmm. Otherwise, a receipt appears showing the item total, cash, and paid, and change. Proceed. And history and sale history button, and in the right on the top bar, then the sale history button keep a record of every transaction in season, including items sold, totals, and running daily total at the top. So then let's proceed to the code of this application. This is the project POS Java, the main class. Then the textbook Java, fiction, book, cart, and books. That's all. Thank you.